Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. Today I will show you in this video how to solve this issue. It is showing no boot device found. Press any key to reboot the machine. So what we will do, we are not sure whether your PC hard disk is failed or operating system is corrupted. So what we will do, we will do some settings. If the PC work, means there is no issue with your hard disk or SSD or with your Windows. So we will check some settings, so it will be bypass this issue, so you will fix the issue easily. Just restart your PC. I forcefully shut down the PC. Just turn on the PC and rapidly click F12. When logo appears, just press F12. You can see here there is options: legacy, boot device, and DBLU, and also CD. So we will use UEFI boot mode. So we can just come down and select Windows Boot Manager. Also you can see here why this problem is happening. Boot mode is set to legacy and secure boot is off. The main thing is the boot mode is set to legacy, so we must change to UEFI boot mode, so the PC will boot directly to Windows Boot Manager. So how we can do now, I will show you. If you press enter, it will open directly. You can see the PC is open normally without any interruptions. So now what we will do, just restart and I will show you how to make changes from BIOS. We will make first boot UEFI mode. All devices have different boot keys, escape or F1 or F2. So BIOS, to go to BIOS, so I will press F2 for this Dell. So here you can see boot sequence. You can go to boot sequence. You can see here legacy and UEFI. So I will change to UEFI, Windows Boot Manager. And also I have to tell you, after this one, you can, once you apply, it will open normally your PC. But again, if it is happening, better to change the CMOS battery as well, because sometimes your CMOS battery is not working properly. So once you save the settings, it will repeat again. So make sure these things. Click apply, exit. The PC will open normally without any interruptions. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please share with your friends and like, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.